Bachchu. Today we are going to draw a tree. So open page number 20 and 21 of your drawing book. To make the tree easily, watch me drawing the tree carefully. So now I am going to make the tree by using a sharp pencil. Bachcho, you must make this tree very neat and clean. And, in order to achieve this, draw this tree with light pencil only. Don't press the pencil hard against the paper. No need to make it dark. I am making this a little dark so that you can see it clearly, but you must not do so. So let's start making the tree. Draw your tree as I am drawing by watching this video very carefully. looking so beautiful. I want you also to draw it like this. If you will follow the instructions I gave at the beginning, then yours will also look beautiful. Okay bachcho, that's all for now. Thank you.